Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to dispute errors on your Bluevine credit reports. Now if you notice mistakes on your Bluevine credit reports, addressing them quickly is essential to protect your business credit profile. Here's how to dispute errors efficiently. The first step is to log into your Bluevine account and download your recent credit reports or statements. Next is to review the report carefully. You want to look for inaccuracies such as incorrect balance, duplicate draws, or payments that are marked as late when you're sure they were made on time. Next is to gather supporting evidence. This could include bank statements, payment confirmations, or correspondence with Bluevine. Once that's done, the next step is to contact Bluevine support through the dashboard or by email. You can just select the options for dispute a credit report error. Now submit your dispute in writing, attaching the documents that prove the error. Bluevine will investigate the claim, and usually within 30 days they're going to get their findings done. And once resolved, you can just confirm that the correction appears on your updated credit report. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.